Hello everyone, this is Aditya Prajapati. Today I am going to tell you how can you learn English at home. You don't need to go outside, you don't need to step out of your home. You can learn English at home. Yes, this is 100% reality. This is 100% truth. You can learn English without stepping out of your home. But how can you learn? I am going to tell you because मैंने ऐसा किया है शुरुआत में. I did not used to go outside for learning this language. I just used to practice at home. I just used to follow YouTube. I just used to watch English or speaking related videos. I used to learn those sentences and I used to talk to myself. I used to do self speaking practice. I used to use mirror for talking, or I have a smartphone, so I just used to make videos for practice purpose. In starting, I did not upload any video on YouTube. I just used to make videos for practice purpose, and after that, I used to make over my mistakes. Where all am I making mistakes? So आपको क्या करना है? You have to watch everything in English language. जो आप YouTube में देख रहे हो ना, तो उसको इंग्लिश में देखना चालू कर दो. इंग्लिश में ही सुनना चालू कर दो. इंग्लिश में ही देखना चालू कर दो और इंग्लिश ही लर्न करना चालू कर दो. इंग्लिश ही रीड करना चालू कर दो. सो एवरीथिंग यू आर डूइंग फॉर ओनली फॉर लर्निंग दिस लैंग्वेज. तो वो लैंग्वेज कहीं भी नहीं जाने वाली. यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक very good English. And you can see behind me, if you are able to see, there are some stickers. I have stick. Actually, I have stuck uh, on the wall. You can see behind me. So this is how you have to surround yourself with this language. आपको क्या करना है? You have to make stickers. You have to note down. You have to take down. Like कि जो भी learn किया है आपने, whatever you have learned today, you have to note down. आपको लिखना है. फिर उसको चिपका देना है ताकि whenever you are just going somewhere, whenever you are going in your room, you are able to see that sentence, that vocabulary. At that time you can revise and use that vocabulary in a good manner. Why am I saying this? Because when I was beginner, I also used to use this trick very much. मैं क्या करता था? मैं दरवाजे में चिपका दिया करता था जो भी लर्न किया, जो भी वोकेबलरी, जो भी सेंटेंसेस नए नए जो डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस होते हैं ना, उनको बस लर्न करता और उनको दरवाजे में चिपका देता. Whenever I used to go outside, तो वो वोकेबलरी एक बार रिवाइज कर लेता, वो सेंटेंसेस एक बार रिवाइज कर लेता, एंड देन I just used to rethink, rethink in my mind, and after that, whenever I used to go outside, I just used to try to speak. I just used to try to use those sentences, those vocabulary in my daily life situation. So this is how I learned this language. तो आपको कहीं भी जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can learn English at home. Many guys are asking how to learn English at home, how to practice. I am unable to practice English. I am unable to actually speak. I can understand but I cannot speak English. Why is this happening? Because आपने practice नहीं की, तो आपको तब भी घर से बाहर जाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. You don't need to go outside. You can talk to your mummy और your siblings. आप अपने भाई बहनों से बात कर सकते हैं और अपनी मम्मी से. मम्मी कभी भी आपका मजाक नहीं उड़ाएंगी. वो हमेशा सोचती हैं कि आप ग्रो करो, आप आगे बढ़ो. और भाई बहनों से भी आप बात कर सकते हैं इंग्लिश में. दे विल ऑल्सो लर्न एंड यू विल ऑल्सो लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज. सो आप इस तरीके से इंग्लिश सीख जाओगे, कोई भी नहीं रोकने वाला. यू कैन लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज एट होम. देयर इज नो वन who can stop you to speak very good English. You can become fluent within 3 months. Just practice and English is very important language. There is no doubt. Okay, so have a good day. We will meet in another video. If you like the video, please like. If you want me to make video in another topic, I will make. Just comment on this video's comment section. Okay.